Hi, welcome to the video. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Google Analytics, the key features of Google Analytics, and what Google Analytics is all about. Let's get started. So, Google Analytics is a complimentary service offered by Google that is able to generate key statistics about a website such as web traffic, traffic sources, sales, and measures. Users are able to generate reports by selecting the different options found on the reporting tab on the left side of the reporting tab. So this is the homepage of Google Analytics. It shows all the sites that you are currently tracking as of now. And for us, our project group, we are doing on a hotel known as Strand Hotel Singapore. This page allows us to view a brief summary of the website information and website traffic data, such as sessions, average session duration, bounce rate, and goal conversion rate. Moving on, we come to the reporting tab of Google Analytics. Over here, this is the audience overview of Google Analytics, which I'll further discuss later. Let's go to dashboards first. So dashboards, over here we can customize our dashboards to show data that we want to see. So for example, I've already queried over here. If you want to add another query, just click the plus button. So I've already queried the bounce sessions and mobile traffic. This means that for out of the 100% of the sessions, 45.45% of them are bounce sessions, and 15.76% of these sessions are mobile traffic, meaning that the users are using a mobile device. All the data will be shown right here. Dashboards give a visual representation of the data, which is very pleasing to the eyes, instead of just numbers all the way. Next, we move on to the intelligence events. Intelligence events allows users to view daily, weekly, and monthly events which pertain to the number of sessions. Users are also able to set alerts. For example, if we want to receive an alert when the website hits a certain number of sessions from a certain country, we can create a custom alert. For example, we can name this high traffic alert. This will be on a daily basis. We can choose to send an email when this alert triggers, and these are the conditions when it happens. For example, if I want the users to be only from Singapore, matches exactly, and we can type in Singapore right here. Sessions is less than, or in our case is greater than, for example, 100. We can just do this. If the criteria are met, then an email alert will be sent to the selected email. Moving on to real time. If admins or users wish to view what is happening on the site in real time, they're able to select the real time option. So this is where the admins are able to monitor user activity as and when it happens in real time. Real time report is able to show the number of people that is viewing the website as of now, their geographical data, the keywords and sites that refer them to the website, the pages that they are currently viewing, and the conversions as and when they happen. So as I mentioned earlier, locations, where do they come from? Traffic sources, how did they come here? Content, what are they doing right now? Events, what is happening? And of course conversions, which is the goals. I'll explain this later on. Moving on further, we come to the audience overview. The audience overview gives us also another dashboard based on the audience, based on the audience that has visited our website. So over here it gives us several key statistics such as the sessions, users, page views, pages per session, average session duration, bounce rate, and percentage of new sessions. It also shows various statistics such as demographics, language, browser, which we all can further drill down later. For example, if we were to further drill down into demographic statistics, we can just click overview over here. I'm sorry, it's not working again. Okay, basically if we were to click it onto interest category, it will show us the interest category, and how this can be useful to us is, for example, if if the interest category shows that for example food and drinks it's a high percentage of this total sessions, we can customize the itinerary for the guest to include more, maybe instead of food tours, we can include more food tours instead of action-packed activities. And of course we can also post articles on the website that feature articles on food and beverage, or if the age group were to be more skewed towards the younger side, we can tweak the itinerary to include more action-packed activities. Moving on. Okay, users are also able to view the visitor's language settings of the browser over here. So, you can see that most of it is English, then followed by Russian. How this can be useful to Strand Hotel is that, for example, if since most of the visitors are English, followed by Russian, what Strand Hotel can do is that they can design their website in such a way that they can either include an alternative website, an alternative Russian website, or they can include a language selector directly on the website itself, so that users from all around the globe can access the content and easily understand it. Google Analytics is also able to show the location of the visitors. For example, over here, it shows that most of these people actually come from Singapore. So what Strand Hotel can do is that they can create a promotion to heavily market staycations. So locals that are from Singapore that stay in a hotel, they can receive the promotion includes, like, for example, exclusive offers and prices. Other than that, Google Analytics is also able to show whether the visitors of the website are new or returning visitors under behavior, new and returning visitors. Okay, for example, if most of these customers are returning visitors, Strand Hotel can include promotions targeted at these return visitors. One such promotion is the loyalty card. The loyalty card is a promotion whereby it is used to encourage visitors to return and patronize Strand Hotel again or even more. Next, we move to the frequency report. So the frequency report, this shows the visitors return to the site within a time frame. If the visitors come once but don't return, it might mean that Strand Hotel is marketing the site to the wrong audience, or that the site content and design are not sufficiently engaging or easily navigable. Therefore, content creators can analyze this data and change the website in order to engage the visitors for a long period of time. I forgot to mention how this real-time can be useful to us. Okay, real-time. For example, if a content creator were to put something out on the website live, they are able to view and, of course, see how that new content is doing. If it's doing well, then they can just add this same content to the other sites, other pages of the website. If it's not doing well, they can just pull that content out, edit it, and then put back on, and then track the progress of it. Okay, coming back, we can see the engagement report. The engagement report shows how much time people spend on the site in increments of seconds and how many pages they view. For example, if users are spending too much time on the reservation page on our Strand Hotel website, it may mean that reservations feature is difficult to use. Strand Hotel can then change the reservation system to a much easier one so that users do not get stuck on the page. By understanding which devices that the visitors are using, Strand Hotel may consider designing the website to suit the needs of the visitor. For example, if there is a high percentage of mobile users, the website can be designed to be a responsive design. So, what is a responsive design? A responsive design allows the website to change its design with respect to the device's screen resolution. Moving on, we come to the source part, the source report, which shows how the visitors landed on the website, whether they referred to by another page or whether they found the website from a Google search. This helps Strand Hotel decide where to focus on their advertisement placement. If there are more visitors that come from Google searches, Strand Hotel can invest more in search engine marketing so that users are able to find the website easier from Google searches. So, for example, you can see that some of them come from Google directly, the sites.google, or some of them come from Facebook, or they came from Google searches. Moving on, Strand Hotel is also able to identify which pages are having the most number of views. So under behavior overview, you can see that these are all the pages that are having views. So by default, our homepage will have the most page views. So how can this be useful to Strand Hotel? So Strand Hotel can identify which pages are having the most page views so that they can place the content that they want their users to see on their website. This allows users to know what the business is doing, what the business is all about, um, with a very on first glance. And finally, we come to the conversion tab, which is all the way at the bottom right here. The conversion tab allows us to set goals which represent completed activity, also known as conversions. This contributes to the success of the business. With every completion of a goal, so more conversions equals to more goals met. In our case, the goal of Strand Hotel is to have more bookings online, so that when people booked with us, it will land them on the thank you page after the transaction was made. So for example, this is our transaction page. Once they are done with this, they booked everything, they will land on this page. When they land on this page, it shows that we have successfully converted them, and this is our goal. So we have 20. Our goal completion is 20. We have set 20 conversions, and of course the conversion rate is 12.12%. And so far we have met our 20 conversions, which is actually our goal. So that is some of the more useful features of Google Analytics. This video is a little bit lengthy, and I apologize for that. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and take